Is masturbation bad or good for health? So you first tell me, are drugs good or bad for health? If drugs are taken in limit, it is called medicine. But if anyone takes it without limit, it can take his life. From a scientific research, it has been known that a strong drug like heroin causes the same kind of chemical changes as masturbation does. So for this reason, some scientists compare it with heroin addiction. So if anyone becomes addicted to this addiction, he needs a strong willpower to come out from this, because the reward of this addiction is very strong. Our body always exuded a hormone named testosterone, which is responsible for creating sexual urges in our body, and it is also responsible for muscle building. But if you are continuously outflowing this hormone from your body, your muscle building may get affected. So according to me, this is the most harmful physical side effect of excessive masturbation. Now come to psychological side effect. For watching excessive porn videos or doing excessive masturbation, all time sex related things start to come in our mind. For this reason, after seeing anybody, any type of thoughts pops up into our mind, which I believe is the most embarrassing thing. And for this, later we regret, what's wrong with me? How could I think such crap things? So let me tell you, it is not necessary to regret for this. It is happening because all the day you are watching this kind of things and also you are thinking about this. Instead of that, if you start to think about some good things, you will start noticing that type of things around you. For example, a businessman always notices business possibility in everything. A poet always looks for poetic beauty. Similarly, what we think about all the day, we start to notice those things around us. Now, whether it is for physical side effect or psychological side effect, at a certain point in life, we all want to get rid of this addiction, because no one likes to become a slave of his own mind. So how to get free from this slavery? Today I am going to share with you from Charles Duhigg's all-time best-selling book, The Power of Habit. Charles says there are 3 parts in any habit: trigger, routine and reward. Every habit has a trigger, after that we follow a certain routine, finally to get a reward. Now there are 5 types of triggers. Number 1, time. It may be day or night. Number 2, location. When you are alone in your bedroom. Number 3, emotion. When you are depressed or feeling bored. Number 4, person. After seeing Sunny Leone's photo. And number 5, last action. Lying in bed after having dinner. Among these 5 things, any one thing may act as a trigger for a habit. Next is routine. When a habit gets triggered, we automatically follow a routine. For example, when this habit gets triggered, you open your laptop or mobile and you play those videos, and the rest you know very well. Next is reward. When we start to follow a routine, chemical changes starts in our brain and dopamine exuded, which activates our brain's reward circuitry, and we start to feel a pleasurable feelings. And this feeling serves as a reward for the habit. So we can realize that we have no control over trigger and reward of a habit. We can't change these 2 things even if we want to, because these 2 things are automatic and natural. The thing which is in our control is routine. We can change our routine a little bit if we want to. According to Charles, we can never remove a strong habit. We can only replace it with another habit. And for this replacement, we should keep the trigger and reward part same and bring changes in the routine. It means we have to replace the negative habits routine with any positive habits routine. But it does not mean that the whole routine should be changed within a single day. No, change it gradually. Now let's see how we can change masturbation habit. At first, you have to identify your routine, because everyone's routine is different. I will try to explain it with just an example. Let us consider your habit is, after having dinner, you come to your bedroom, then you turn off the light and play those type of videos on your mobile lying on bed, and the rest of the routine you know very well. So how can you change this routine? Look, there has to be some reason to change something. So first you need a reason. You can find this reason by yourself, or if you want, I can also help you to find it out. You just need to install an app named 30 Days Fitness Challenge. I have put the link in the description. This app gives you an exercise target every day which you have to follow. If you do excessive masturbation, it is not possible to pass this challenge. For this app can help you. Some modern researchers also suggest that 1 or 2 times masturbation in a week is healthy. So as I said, that we should not make a huge change in our routine. So what happens, in this app, after every 3 days, on the 4th day, it gives you a rest day. On this day, you can follow your old routine if you want to, but rest of the 3 days, when this habit gets triggered, follow your old routine as it is up to taking up the mobile into your hand, but then play this video instead of playing those type of videos. This is enough. I hope the rest of the work will be done by this video. After watching this video, your urges will get reduced, and after all, then you will have a strong reason. You just have to play this video instead of those type of videos by using some of your willpower. I have just given an example how you can change your routine. If you want, you can also find out a better method. And if you already have a better one, I request you to share it with us by commenting below, because it may help many others. I just want you to say one thing: don't be a slave, be a master. At last, a little request to you. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends who are also facing the same problem, and please let us know on which topic you would like to watch the next video, because our main aim is to help you. More wisdom, more solution, better life.